Howdy. So I am in a place called Wheatley, Arkansas. A couple little hole-in-the-wall truck stops. Parked here for the night. Ran out of hours just a little bit before I got here. Oops, don't tell anybody. So I'm sitting here relaxing. Then it starts doing this. You gotta love Arkansas weather. It was a nice day, a little warm. Then boom, thunderstorm. So anyway, it's rinsing off the dust for me. That's good. Hope y'all are safe where you are at least I'm not driving out here with the stupid people that don't know how to drive in this kind of weather. So there is that. Anyway, sometimes I like my job. Sometimes it's very beautiful. And sometimes Mother Nature, in her PMS mood, well, you know, she likes to play I'm pissed off the world games. Just like a woman. I'm sorry, did I say that out loud? I didn't mean it. Anyway, I'm going to sit here and watch the wind blow the rain sideways. Ta-ta, everyone.